Tingnan ba yung internet?
Walang free internet.
Conocerla, de verdad. Muchas gracias. Y disfrute su familia. Muchas gracias. Sí, sí. Espero verla pronto. Porque a veces yo vengo aquí a ver.
Oye,
Sí,
perfecto.
ella es muy dulce
Sí.
también. Muy amable. Oh, hi.
Holy shit. Hello.
Hello, my kids.
Hi, kids.
Okay, Mike, lagyan natin dito yung return board mo.
What do you want?
Set it up. I just don't know where you want it.
Let's set it up here.
Hello.
Oh, hi! Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Mm.
How are you?
All right.
Koy, come here.
She hasn't met yet. Let's see how that goes.
Oh, okay.
You want to bring it?
There's no need
Yeah,
to
we'll
go
bring it
back.
out.
You can put the tail a little bit further.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you can put this against
Hey,
Can you come out?
Yeah.
Let's
Let's get the children, let's put it here.
I just don't understand why no one's answering my call.
Okay, let's do this.
What do you want to do? What do you want to cut?
Yung half dito. Tapos ito,
You want to display?
oh, display.
Anong i-display mo?
Ito, yung ganyan.
Ay, ito na lang.
O
Kasi
ganito.
gagamitin mo ito eh.
O ganito.
Ha?
Ganito.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you want to cut it?
Dito na.
Okay, let's see here. Right here?
Yeah. Koy! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Lagyan mo siya.
Kasi ito, maano na eh. Maghiwalay na to eh.
Upstairs at the blessing.
Oh.
They started with now. It was a lot of people, so I came downstairs.
Okay,
And
good.
it's hot in there. I know.
Look.
What does the pinky say?
Come here.
Kasi.
Well, she didn't sleep before. Like when we were there, he was keeping her awake. So she just wanted to go like He said twice in our room.
Look, huh? It's Tama. Okay, you sit down here. No, both of you.
Where do you want to put this? Itong half na to, so may display to.
Oo.
Saan mo natin ilalagay?
Lagay ko dito.
Ha? Ito.
Yan. Ano ko yung tadlarin ko na to?
Ikaw, kung gusto mong tagdarin yan.
Oo. Para sa mga...
Special gift.
Dala kasi. Come here! Come here! You want to see the...
Yung ba yung anak ni Lore?
Oo.
Siyang pangalan?
Kiki.
Mm.
Kiki, come here! Kiara!
Sino yung mga boto-boto?
Yan.
Ang daming boto. Tabi na natin. Katabi ko na yung mga boto doon.
Oo.
Para i-looks clean. Ha?
Yep.
You can arrange this. Yung puro pala. Diyan. He looks clean, man.
Yeah.
Ito, medyo hindi masyado malutong. Baka you wanna chop it up pero put it on one side.
And one side,
Okay,
yeah.
pero iwan ko muna dito.
Okay.
Okay.
Ganito dapat.
I don't know how much space you need.
Lakayan mo lang ka.
Oo. Hindi, naka-fold yan eh.
Ha?
Naka-fold.
Naka-fold.
Oo.
Okay, good. Ito pa.
Ito.
Okay ba?
Yup.
Tapos dito ang juicy, parang tabloid nito eh. Ito lang dito eh.
Kaya.
Adriel, is ready yan. Akin na lang yan, ano?
Sorry, we're almost done.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, we have 1/3 of the ulo.
Oh, okay, that can...
Gawin na lang sisig yun.
Ah?
Sisig.
Hiwalay mo na yun.
Oo.
Mamaya na yun pagka naubos ito. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yung medyo malutong, yung mga makunat, mahirap eh. Tapos nga na itabi mo yun.
Puedo ir a Trerio de mi apartamento para el arroz. Tengo, ¿ya?
Okay.
Arriba el teléfono.
Ito mamaya na lang ito.
Oo, mamaya na yan. Sa atin na yan.
Tingnan mo.
Oo, tikim-tikim.
Kailangan matignan mo yung balat before.
Bago...
Is this my water or your?
Yung water ko.
Yung nasa
Yeah.
sink.
Yeah. My water is the one in the bottom.
Need a bigger trash can, brother.
Yeah. Saan yung buntot?
Ha?
Yung buntot.
Oo, saan napunta yung buntot? I don't see it. It got chopped up somewhere.
Yeah,
somewhere
somewhere.
here in the... Yung mga scoops ko.
Diba?
Parang Master Chef na. Chop-chop the scoop.
Yung scoop. Ganun yun. Masato knife. Ano tawag dito? Masato knife. Tsaka Cutco. Cleaver.
Ano ba? Yeah. Vermicelli. Good day. Vermicelli, I think. I don't know. I'll get him to... I think you add this. You can ask the caterer how it's supposed to go together. Everybody's hungry, huh? Yun na nga, somebody...
Ha? Yung panganay ko, ayaw mo sila. Kaya mo sila.
Again.
Kukunin ko pa sa taas.
Again, you can wash it.
Hindi, kukunin ko pa sa taas.
Ha?
Wala dyan. Do we need it ready? Okay. Vermicelli.
The lechon is already out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are just for maybe paksi later on. Mga buto-buto.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mga trimmings siya natin.
Malutong din.
Well, we had a separate thing na puro skin na malutong. So you can have a little bit of each.
Yeah. Good. What are they waiting on? Yeah. Let's eat dinner. Where's Mom?
You get the one out? Yeah, get the grease out. Oh, Mike!
Hey man, how you doing? Good. Oh, you're chopping it up?
We already did. Take a look. We already did. Did the action already. Yeah. Wait, the sauce, man. Mark?
Oh yeah.
We need sauce.
So, Mom's upstairs? Mom's upstairs?
Yeah.
So how do you get up there?
Over here.
Uh-huh.
And go to the very end.
What was the room?
Come on, let's go up.
We need some for the sauce.
Okay.
Bowls and
Hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Good.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, bring that inside. Hey. Okay. Pwede natin lagay dito.
It has to be either a gravy bowl or something with a spoon. Yeah. Wala bang paper paper bowl? Wala bang paper bowl? Where is it, God? We need the spoon. We need a spoon. Give a big bowl and people can use a spoon to scoop. Yung microwave ba dito?
Meron dito. Gusto mo microwave natin?
So, yes, parang this one is not too
Nilagay pa ako ng isa.
Pero aquí ¿Tiene uno? Si no sabes que el helado es I heard you guys had to go all over to get there. They're not making it.
Yeah. We need that for the pork.
I like that one.
Yeah, we need something to stir this a little bit.
Oh, we have Marilyn, can you give him a spoon? A plastic spoon? One.
We just need to put it.
Saan si Ma'am?
Where is she? Ayun mo, baba.